First Corinthians
First Corinthians
chapter 15
chapter 15
32 to
32 to
chapter 15
chapter 15
41.
41.
What do I gain
What do I gain
if,
if,
humanly speaking, I fought with
I fought with
beasts
beasts
at Ephesus?
at Ephesus?
If the dead are not raised,
The dead are not raised.
let us eat and drink,
Let us eat and drink,
for tomorrow we die.
for tomorrow we die.
Do not be deceived.
Do not be deceived.
Bad company
Bad company
ruins good morals.
ruins with morals.
Wake up from
Wake up from
your drunken
your drunken
stupor,
stupor.
as is right,
Yes, he is right.
and do not go on
And do not go on
sinning,
sinning.
for some have
For somehow
no knowledge of God.
no knowledge of God.
I say this
I say this
to your shame.
to your shame.
But someone will ask,
But some will ask,
how are the dead raised?
how are the dead rise?
With what kind of body
With what kind of body
do they come?
do they come?
You foolish person,
You foolish person,
what you sow
what you sow
does not come to life
does not to come to life
unless
unless
it dies.
it dies.
And
And
what you sow
what you sow
is not the body
is not the body
that is to be,
that is to be,
but a bare kernel,
but a bare kernel,
perhaps of wheat
perhaps of wheat
or of some other grain.
or of some other grain.
But God gives it
But God gives us
a body
a body
as He has chosen,
as He has chosen,
unto each kind of seed
and to each kind of seed
its own body.
its own body.
For not all flesh is the same,
For not as flesh is the same,
but there is one kind
but there is one kind
for humans,
for humans,
another for animals,
another for animals,
another for birds,
another for birds,
and another for fish.
and another for fish.
There are heavenly bodies
There are heavenly bodies
and earthly bodies,
and earthly bodies.
but the glory of the heavenly is
But the glory of the heavenly is
of one kind,
of one kind,
and the glory of the earthly is
and the glory of the earthly is
of another.
of another.
There is one glory of the sun,
There is one glory of the sun,
and another glory of the moon,
and another glory of the moon,
and another glory of the stars.
and another glory of the stars.
For star differs from
A star differs from
star in glory.
star in glory.
First Corinthians
First Corinthians
chapter 15
chapter 15
42 to
42 to
52.
52. And
So
then,
is it
so is it
with the resurrection of the dead,
with the resurrection of the dead,
what is sown is perishable,
what is sown is perishable,
what is raised is imperishable.
what is dried is imperishable.
It is sown in
It is sown in
dishonor,
dishonor,
it is raised
it is raised
in glory.
in glory.
It is sown in weakness,
It is sown in weakness,
it is raised in power.
it is raised in power.
It is sown a natural body,
It is sown a rational body,
it is raised a spiritual body.
it is raised a spiritual body.
If there is a
If there is a
natural body,
natural body,
there is also a
there is also a
spiritual body.
spiritual body.
Thus it is written,
Thus it is written,
the first man Adam
the first one Adam
became
became
a living being,
a living being.
The last Adam
The last Adam
became
became
a life-giving spirit.
a life-giving spirit.
But it is not the spiritual
But it is not the spiritual
that is first,
that is first,
but the natural,
but the natural,
and then
and then
the spiritual.
the spiritual.
The first man was from the earth.
The first man was from the earth,
A man of dust.
a man of dust.
The second man is from heaven,
The second man is from heaven,
as was the man of dust.
as is the man of dust.
So also are
So also are
those who are of the dust,
those who are of the dust,
and as
and as
is the man of heaven,
is the man of heaven.
so also
So also
are those
are
who
those
are of heaven.
who are of heaven.
Just
Just
as we have borne
as we have borne
the image of the man of dust,
the image of man, the dust,
we shall also bear
we shall also bear
the image of the
the image of the
man of heaven.
man of heaven.
I tell you this,
I tell you this,
brothers,
brothers,
flesh and blood
flesh and blood
cannot inherit the kingdom of God,
cannot inherit the kingdom of God,
nor does the perishable inherit
nor does the perishable inherit
the imperishable.
the imperishable.
Behold,
Behold,
I tell you a mystery.
I tell you a mystery.
We shall not all sleep,
We shall not all sleep,
but we shall all be changed
but we shall all be changed
in a moment,
in a moment,
in the twinkling
the twinkling
of an eye,
of an eye,
at the last trumpet.
at the last